Yo, big up on yourselves. Big up on yourselves. Today in the program, we have Decode a song. And it's called Porn Flicks. Or Porn Flick by Vybz Kartel, King of the Dancehall, and Ishawna. Yes, Virgin, Ishawna. And Ishawna have an interesting thing to her, right? Her name precedes her. So, I'm going to give you a little thing about Ishawna. Well, me give a little thing about Vybz Kartel still, but a lot of people know Vybz Kartel. Nevertheless, me still have to talk because you have people who don't know Vybz Kartel who watch a video. So, yeah. So, if you're new to the channel, one thing more you do, remember to subscribe the thing, right? And if you're new, I want the videos them to drop when them drop, notification bell. You won't regret it. I tell you that straight. Alright, make the song run and then I give you a little thing as it start, right? So watch it runnings. Cha cha.
Cocky bam bam, bam bam bam. Cocky bam bam.
Baby, want my phone there? Oh.
Come fuck me and video me cute pussy with your big body. Your Samsung better focus right when me.
Hold on. Ishawna, that you know, brother. That is Ishawna. Alright, here we go now. So, let me start with Ishawna because I say she is very interesting in the dancehall business. Ishawna has been in the dancehall business for a number of years now. She was in a relationship. As a matter of fact, she's the baby mother of this jockey and social media influencer who is called Footer Hype. They are strange relationship. So, it's not on good terms. So, there are times when you find I am Footer Hype bashing Ishawna about songs and about her performance. Her performances, right? And so you can go check him out too. Now, Ishawna did this song which was very controversial in the Jamaican music sphere, right? And it's called Equal Rights and Justice. Or Equal Rights, right? And this song was about reciprocating oral sex. You see it? So normally in a dancehall settings you find where the male artists sing about the ladies doing oral sex to them. Now she is one of them who took the bold step and said, watch you know, it's not just the woman alone for do it, you know, it's the man for do it too. So if you want me eat that, you have to eat this. And me I tell you, it get a lot of backlash, but it got a lot of attention for her. Also, the song was done on this it was done on the beat by what is that? Ed Sheeran. What that song go again? You know what, make the song run and me tell you some more as we go. So watch it run is go on.
Sing by your mic like symphony. Video me click when you finger me. You are video me cute pussy with your big body. Your Samsung better focus right when me sing by your mic like symphony. Video me click when you finger me. Your orange kerchief feel stronger me. Like a labor right with me green body pull to the side of me body jaw boy grab it.
Hold on now. She said a lot of things there, so I may have to go decode. So I'm going back. So I was talking about the beat that her song was on. It was on the Shape of You song that by Ed Sheeran. So now can go check out that too. Bad song, me like the whole vibe and everything, but you know why she got the backlash, because a lot of people might wonder why she got the backlash. So Jamaican culture, it is in a state where men don't really talk about oral sex with the ladies. That's a taboo thing. So you don't find a lot of, well, you're not gonna find a man sing about say them do it to the woman them, you know. I don't think you will ever find that in any time in our lifetime. But you're gonna find the ladies them sing about it, but they sing about it no, because Ishawna is the one who break that ground. So that is why I say she has some interesting thing about her. More interesting thing to come. Anyway, let me go back and decode this song before me give more mix up, right? Because I don't love the mix up in there. Alright, watch it go, let's go.
Your Samsung better
On there. Oh.
Come fuck me and video me cute pussy with your big body. Your Samsung better focus right when me sing by your mic like symphony.
All right, so you hear she has sing, what she's talking about basically is they having the sex, even though they have the whole TV there. The sex what them are gonna do is they are gonna use the phone to video the sex. So that's what she has said. Make sure him song is the focus good when she sing on his mic like symphony. Now that is a code when she talk about singing and mic. Now the mic that she's talking about, it is actually the penis. Let me drink some water, brother. So Jamaica have the code when them say woman a DJ or women are singing on the mic. They're talking about having oral sex with the cock, the rooster. Yes, so that's what she's talking about in code there because they're trying to make it as less explicit as possible. So you know that's why bars be coming for decode the thing. All right, go through Ishawna.
With me click when you finger me, your orange kerchief feel stronger me like a labor right with me green baggy pull to
wallet. Enough things that if you decode right there, so okay. So when she said use the orange kerchief, the orange kerchief if you strangler, that's what she said. The orange kerchief if you strangle me. The orange kerchief now a lot of things to it. Because she went further and said the green, or she in her like a labor right, she in her green baggy. I think that's what she said. So here I go now. A lot of coding right here, so. The orange kerchief, when Vybz Kartel was released from prison and he came out of the prison, he had an orange kerchief wrapped around his face. And that is what she's talking about there, so. Now also, orange is the color of one of the prominent political parties in Jamaica. It's called the PNP, which is the People's National Party. So that's one. Then she mentioned about the green panty, like a labor right, whatever it is. Now, green is the color of the opposition party. Or the opposing party, not the opposition party, don't get me wrong there. The opposing party, because actually the green, which is for Labour right, is actually the ruling party. So stick up in right there. It is the opposing party of the PNP, right? So that's what she's talking about, the green panty there. Okay? Let me go back so I don't catch it prop early. Alright. Go on. Go back to Ishawna, you're rude like.
Feed them me cute pussy with your big body. Your Samsung better focus right when me sing by your mic like symphony. Feed them me click when you finger me. Your orange kerchief feel stronger me like a labor right with me green baggy pull to the side of me body jaw boy grab it.
Hey, scatter, don't vex with me. You're pretty brown and I have sex with me.
What a man bare face. Hey, that song I give me a lot of work for do. I'm a glad feet. Now, hear what now? He mentioned, hey, scatter, don't vex with me. You're pretty brown girl that have sex with me. Jesus. Hold on. Before I start, let me drink some water. You know I get in trouble here, so. Let me talk truth now. Okay. Now, scatter, it is a gentleman that is called Scatter Burrell. And Scatter Burrell is the promoter of Downsound Entertainment. Okay, that not sound interesting to you yet, you know. Okay, let me go further now. He's the one that promoted the Freedom Street concert with the same Vybz Kartel here. So, when you hear Vybz Kartel call him name, they are good friends, you know. So, me still have more mix up to give, you know. Now, when him say, don't vex with me, you're pretty brown, you have sex with me. Now, Ishawna and Scatter Burrell have a relationship. Yes, they have a relationship. So that's why I mentioned it. But it was out of fun. It's not really that serious in terms of what he said there. But the serious part is coming up still. So I'm going to put that in. So make me hear Vybz Kartel saying at the chorus now. Go on.
Hey, scatter, don't vex with me.
No.
You're pretty brown and I have sex with me. Me body so good she keep texting me.
Aye.
Feel a good pussy there, fi caress me dick. Me feel nice all your breast me nick. Big body in a yo, take me tip. Video the fuck then me take me chip. No evidence you not get fake it.
Whoa. Enough things there so now. Alright. I promised. So what's up now? So Scatter Burrell now. As I mentioned to you earlier, because as I said, this has some mix up in it when I have to decode properly, you know. And I'm trying to do it as less mix up as possible. So I want you to get it properly. Okay. Now, Ishawna and the same Footer Hype, which is our baby's father, right? Apparently, Scatter Burrell was the one who got in that relationship. Yeah, see what we're talking about now. So he got in that relationship now, and this is how it sounds. He took away Ishawna from Footer Hype. Now, I stand to be corrected if it's the other way around. If it's she left and go to him rather than Scatter taking him away from him. I don't really do this for the full mix up of dancehall sake to get the views and likes, but this is how it was portrayed over the media. That Scatter Burrell took away Ishawna from Footer Hype. So big respect to Mr. Footer Hype, and big respect to Scatter Burrell, and big respect to Ishawna. I'm talking how I know it. Okay, let me drink some water, brother. Trouble. Okay, so that's why he mentioned Scatter. Don't vex with me, my pretty girl, brown girl have sex with me. Now, also, when you hear a person, a Jamaican person say browning or brown girl, they are talking about ladies of a higher color than the normal, like black like here, but not as white. So they are in between black and white. Okay, so they call them browning. That's how we do it. Because a Buju Banton come with that browning song way back in the 90s and make the browning becomes a fashion statement. Okay, so him go back to Kartel. Hold on, go on.
That good pussy there.
Hold on, Kartel.
You're pretty brown and have sex with me.
Yeah.
Me body so good she keep texting me. Feel that good pussy there. Fi caress me dick. Me feel nice all your breast me nick. Big body inna you take me tip. Video the fuck then me take the chip.
So I'm saying video the sex and him take the chip that's out of the phone. Because him don't want to take it and spread it. Because Vybz Kartel have a history of that thing already to it up. But if you don't want me talk about that history, you don't have to go text me and say, talk real quick. But I won't talk it right here, so in terms of that part. Okay? Make it run, because I don't want to full up the song with too much mix up. Go on.
Video the fuck then me take the chip. No evidence you not get fake it.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben where you see a London. Nobody ask if me have a next man.
Daddy teach out your pussy pass the exam. Me no need a next one.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben where you see a London. Nobody ask if me have a next man.
Daddy teach out your pussy pass the exam. Me no need a next one.
It's like the bedroom.
Hold on. As me say, this song here has a lot of mix up in it. So we want to understand the thing. So that's why you hear me talking that so much. But as me said before, if you know what me talk about the photo thing and the video who was on the video at the time when I said Vybz Kartel was caught up in it, just say watch her. Do you correct? Talk the things. So, me not talk the things now because me want the song flow. Next verse.
Tell a movie set. Ask how we a fuck, ask how we a get. Me ready for the come shot, babes. Aim for me face, don't come in on me braids.
Alright.
Hold on. So she has she have sex with the Oscar. So even though I might take the chip, she really and truly is an Oscar award them a go for. Meaning them want the best sex in this thing here. You understand me? It's not just a normal sex them a go out with, you know. That's why I'm porn flick. Go on.
It's like the bedroom till a movie set. Ask how we a fuck, ask how we a get. Me ready for the come shot, babes. Aim for me face, don't come in on me braids.
Alright, you know see none of me knee. You are the winner when you good on your knee. Me love demon, girl, ask family. Now.
Hold on, I have to hold it right there, so. So, he must say, he not see any nominee. Me no see no nominee. So him not see any nominee. But, I ain't got no. Hold on, sorry. Me no want to miss out the line.
Babes, aim for me face, don't come in on me braids.
Alright, you know see none of me knee. You are the winner when you good on your knee.
Yes, so he don't say the nominee. See the kerchief here I'm talking about, orange. Okay, so him don't say any nominee. So she had the winner when she go down on her knee. So when he says that she goes down on her knee, he's talking about that she's doing the oral sex, as I mentioned to you before. Okay? Yeah, man. Real talk. Real talk. Go on.
Alright, you know see none of me knee. You are the winner when you good on your knee. Me love demon, girl, ask family.
Now him say him love demon girl, asks Tommy Lee. Now Tommy Lee was a member of the Portmore Empire from way back in the days. And he is the one that sings about demon stuffs. He's the one I think started the whole demon thing and then moved to Obi and so forth. So that's why I'm say ask Tammy and him do this and all. Okay? So watch your runnings now. Go on.
You are the winner when you good on me. They love demon, girl, ask family. Nah, your pussy make cocky make you cry creep.
Okay, so you hear him say right this, and as I said before, you don't find a Jamaican dancehall artist. I don't think you find any Jamaican. Anybody when you're Jamaican we do have to do with music, talk about oral sex with woman. I don't think you will ever hear that in a history of music. Well, in my lifetime, you not hear that. You not hear that. You hear the ladies them sing about it, but not the men. So here now, I tell you, say the man say no. Listen carefully now, more listen carefully now. Hear it.
You good on me. They love demon, girl, ask family. Nah, your pussy make cocky make you cry creep.
So I'm saying, nah, near my pussy. It's cocky, why makes you cry? Cree. You see it there? So, it basically I say he's not doing oral sex, as when I said it to you before. You're not going to find a Jamaican artist. Say that. You're not find it. You're not going to find it. I tell you, go on.
Ask family, nah, your pussy make cocky make you cry creep.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben where you see a London. Nobody accept me have a next man.
Daddy teach out your pussy pass the exam, me no need the next one.
Cocky bam bam, like Big Ben where you see a London. Nobody accept me have a next man.
Daddy teach out your pussy pass the exam, me no need the next one. Oh.
Bam bam, bam bam bam, cocky bam bam.
Oh.
Alright, so song done. Song done. Alright. Song done. Now let me tell you what I think about it now. Bad song. Big song by Ishawna. As I said to you before, Ishawna, a fair street this when it come to them type of song. Yeah. She that. Right? And Vybz Kartel, no ask the question. Show a little strength and put the song out. Now hear me now, apart from the good part with the song. Lyrics good, flow good, everything good. Now hear me now with the video. The video I with me have a problem with now. Here what? Now this has show the bedroom type of play in this song. And Ishawna have a nice piece of body there. Right? And you see Vybz Kartel tonight now. But big respect to Vybz Kartel. No question about that. But what I think Vybz Kartel should have done, at least maybe him could have a double, a stunt double or so, if he do more energetic stuffs with Ishawna. You understand me? If he make the song sell off a little bit more. Because the song sell off, you know. No question about that. And we'll put that one side. Then, yeah, and see him put him street vibes in the thing there. What him could have done, as I say, is put somebody with more energy in it. If him, since he want to be in the video, use a double in it. Somebody will resemble him or somebody will dress like him but not show him face and not put in some more work in it. Because we all know, and Vybz Kartel know, him not have that energy they like before based on the circumstances that he had with the prison thing. So we not expect him to go out time and try keep up with Ishawna. It not gonna work. So him should have somebody there where I put on some really good piece of daggering. And all we see is maybe him the youth back. Or maybe just you know the silhouette of him. I do some work with Ishawna and put her in some proper position. You understand me? Yeah man. And that me think about with the song. Vybz Kartel should I get somebody else to do that role there. I make the song do look more, give look more justice. Because in a sense now, when we look pan with it sort of look like, it look in a sense, unfortunately, like when a man in passing prime in terms of the sexual part, and he have a woman over there so full of heat, and he can't perform, so him over here so now just a watch and I say, boy, I say me did ever younger. Yeah, that's how it look to me. So I hope you take on a piece of Vybz Kartel and watch you running. What you have to do at this stage of your career, right, until you get your full 100 up, I get some people to do the work for you and you do the singing. Yes, people. So you know what, as I said before, it's not my thing alone. Meaning if you know what to think about it as well. And it's a do quick once more on it. Bars beat, I say what? Have that.